Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 24th. Yeah. No, January the 3rd, 2024. Correction, yes. And in this additional, we have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them, 4 of them, I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. And I've already solved 3 regular puzzles today. Well. Okay, the first one. The 3 stars puzzle. This one will be number 7729. 7729. And this one has 29 printed digits. Wow, that's a lot. The previous Sudoku, the 2 stars, this one has 27. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. Let me do this one. And usually for 3 stars puzzle, we have 25 printed digits, 4 digits more. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For a puzzle with 29 printed digits, should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Alright, we'll see if this is a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this third row, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6. 5 and then 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now, let me see. One. The 4 here. Need 8. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Need a 6 here. We have an 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So the row between. The middle row, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. So the only place left for 8 should be there. Need 8 here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then let me think. Well, we have a 4 in this column. Last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. And then need a 4 here. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Then how about the number? Need a 9 here. 9 and need a 9 there. Well, need a 9 there. Need a 1 here. I'm thinking. 3 here. 3 there. 3 there. Well. 3 here. 9, 3. 9, 3. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there, need a 9 here. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. Oh, we have a 1 in the first column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Need a 4 here and I need a 4 there. Okay. Well, we have a pair. The 2 and the 4 in the third row. The 2 and the 4 in the third row. The 2 and the 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and the 4 in the first column, so no 2 and the 4 in this box. 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright, and now. Let me see. 5, 2, 4, and that. Need a 9 here. Yeah, need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay, do we have all the 4s? No. Need a 4 here. How about these 2 missing numbers in the third row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next now only place level 3 should be there. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 there. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So the row between. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 there, okay. Need a 6 here. Alright, cannot continue with a 6. numbers. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row only place left of 5 should be there. 5 and the 6, we have a 5 now in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left of 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left of 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. Middle row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here's 6 in the third column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. Okay. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4 are missing in the second column. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 9 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only place left of the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left of the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next to that column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there, finishing 13 minutes. Well, cannot say it's a 3 stars puzzle. Not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. Yeah, definitely with 29 printed digits. Yeah. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a 29 or 30 printed digits, and you take more time to solve that puzzle. So it's not a rule, but it's an indication. An indication, yeah. All right. Maybe I should do the previous one with 27 printed digits. Anyway, I've solved this one. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.